Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to import calendar events into Dola AI in 2026. Importing calendar events can be useful when you already have meetings, appointments, or other scheduled activities in another calendar and want to manage them through Dola AI. First, open Dola AI and sign in to your account. Before importing anything, make sure your supported calendar service is connected to Dola. If you're using a calendar such as Google Calendar, Apple Calendar, or Outlook, follow the available connection steps and authorize the required calendar access. Once your calendar is connected, Dola may be able to access the events already stored in that connected calendar. Depending on the current Dola features and your account setup, the synchronization may happen automatically rather than through a separate manual import button. To check whether your existing events are available, open your calendar and compare it with the schedule shown or accessible through Dola. For example, if you already have a meeting scheduled for tomorrow, check whether Dola can recognize that event when you ask about your upcoming schedule. You can also test the connection by asking Dola about a specific event. For example, you could say, "What meetings do I have tomorrow?" If the calendar connection is working properly, Dola may be able to use the connected calendar information to help answer.